Think you know English tenses? Let's put that to the test. Stay tuned, and you might discover something new. One, simple present tense. Structure: subject plus base verb, plus s/es for third person singular, plus object. Example 1. I read books. Example 2. She plays the piano. 2. Present continuous tense. Structure: subject plus m/is/ or plus verb ing plus object. Example 1. They are watching a movie. Example 2. He is eating dinner. 3. Present perfect tense. Structure: subject plus have/has plus past participle plus object. Example 1. We have completed the project. Example 2. She has visited Paris. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Structure: subject plus have/has been plus verb ing plus object. Example 1. I have been studying English. Example 2. They have been working all day. 5. Simple past tense. Structure: subject plus past verb plus object. Example 1. He watched a movie. Example 2. They visited the museum. 6. Past continuous tense. Structure: subject plus was/were plus verb ing plus object. Example 1. She was reading a book. Example 2. We were playing football. 7. Past perfect tense. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Example 1. They had finished the work. Example 2. He had left the office. 8. Past perfect continuous tense. Structure: subject plus had been plus verb ing plus object. Example 1. I had been waiting for an hour. Example 2. She had been cooking dinner. 9. Simple future tense. Structure: subject plus will plus base verb plus object. Example 1. He will travel tomorrow. Example 2. They will attend the meeting. 10. Future continuous tense. Structure: subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. Example 1. I will be studying at 8 p.m. Example 2. She will be driving to work. 11. Future perfect tense. Structure: subject plus will have plus past participle plus object. Example 1. They will have completed the task. Example 2. He will have arrived by noon. 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Structure: subject plus will have been plus verb ing plus object. Example 1. I will have been working here for 5 years. Example 2. She will have been studying since morning. Which tense do you find most challenging? Share your thoughts in the comments below, And don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful.